Alright, what's up, guys? Today we got 10 packs of Vivid Voltage. So I'm excited because I really haven't opened too much Vivid Voltage at all. I've opened it like a few times, but yep, comment, like, subscribe, share. And here we go. We start with the first Pizzac. Okay, these are gonna be those types. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can we get anything? Okay. League Staff, Crocker Rock, Aromatic Energy, Voltorb, Rockruff, Whismur, Trubbish, Tynamo, Yanma, Reverse, and Yanmega. Great. Celebi artwork. Let's go. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lightning, Cramorant, Kakuna, Sir Chesterbath, Joltik, Weedle, Tailo, Sandile, Oshawott, Rayquaza. Okay, I think this one's like decent. Vaporeon. I don't know, I can't remember, but I am going to sleeve this. Yeah, amazing rare, right? Green cold card. Okay. Pokemon is that? Darkness, Swoobat, Loudred, Zebstrika, Beldum, Blitzel, Milcery, Skiddo, Eevee, nice Eevee card, Riolu, and man, I don't know. I wonder if these packs are freaking. I wonder if these packs are tested or whatever. I mean, it's only 3, but still, you never know with these packs if people are scanning them and stuff, or even weighing them or whatever. Okay, Fire Energy, Zebstrika, Dusclops, Beauty, Beldum, Fampi, Duskull, Electrike, Pineco, Swellow, and Vaporeon. Dang, see, like, every single one of these probably green code cards. That's crazy. Pack number 5. I can see these people doing this too. 2, 3, 4. C. Hitmontop, Swoobat, Dewott, Pick-a-Pick, Trudel, Riolu, Chimichurl, Nincada, Electrike, and Drapion V. Okay, so we got a Drapion. Nothing too crazy. This is probably just like a freaking quarter, but I do like V cards more than EXs. Like, that's one thing I will say. Nice. Okay, so they're not tampered with. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's go. Psychic, Trumbeak, Sableye, Dewott, take Dewott and leave Dewott. Chimchurl, Blitzel, Slugma, Beldum, Milcery. Oh, this is a cool Snorlax, I'm not gonna lie. And Pikachu V card. Nice. We are looking for the Chonkachu though, but I love any Pikachu Vs. I love them. Even the Pikachu EXs, I like most of them too. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I guess this second half was the... Leaf, Psychic again. Ferrothorn, Coralice, Dusclops, Fampi, Duskull, Electric, Pineco, Mudbray, Execute, and a Colossal VMAX. Nice. Dang, that's a crazy looking Pokemon. Jeez. I will take it. Okay, come on. Let's keep this streak going. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, Fire, Heroes Metal, Kakuna, Moo Cheese, Beldum, Blitzel, Milcery, Skiddo, Eevee, Beedrill Reverse. That's a cool Beedrill card. And Executor. Two packs left. Come on, we gotta have one more hit. At least one more. Lightning. Ooh. Wyndham Stadium. Nuzleaf. Memory Capsule. Mudbray. Poochyena. Cool artwork. I would definitely like a full art of that. Charmander, Chatot, Joltik, Pincurchin, and Clefable non-hollow. Okay, come on, last pack magic. Last pack magic, come on, Servy pack. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we get a water. Oh, darkness. Ferrothorn, Dusclops, Rocky Helmet, Sandile, Oshawott, Pineco, Clefairy, Tynamo, Woobat. Alright. Come on. Ah! Dang. Well, we do get... I guess it counts as 4. We got the amazing rare Rayquaza, Drapion V, Pikachu V, and a Colossal V Max. I would take it. Thank you guys once again for always watching. I got more to come. Peace.